everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome to my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul, but it's going to be a lot different than my previous hauls because we are talking about ice cream. Dollar Tree has come out with a bunch of flavors of 100% real ice cream, and I thought it would be fun to taste test them. So I was able to pick up 5 of the flavors, and I'm going to taste them for you and give you my thoughts, and maybe you'll go out and be able to score some of these as well for yourself. Before we get into that though, of course, I want to say thank you to my subscribers. You know who you guys are. I appreciate you so much, and thank you for all of your support over the years. And I can say that now because it's almost been 2 years. It's kind of crazy. Hey, if you're one of my newer subscribers, or maybe even you're checking out the channel for the first time, hopefully you will stick around and become a regular subscriber as well. And let's just get into some ice cream, all right? Because I'm ready. All right, so the flavors I have are butter pecan. I have chocolate fudge swirl. I have the orange sherbet. I have the chocolate mint, and I have the cookies and cream. So let's do the cookies and cream. Hold on one sec. Okay, I was a little surprised because when I took the lid off, the ice cream's right there. There was no like protective seal on these, and there's not on any of them. So. Just FYI, okay. Cookies and cream. Now it says that it is artificially flavored, but it's real ice cream. 14 ounce, kind of a pint. Okay. Not bad. Not bad, especially for $1. It kind of tastes more ice milky to me versus like cream, ice cream. So I wouldn't say it was I wouldn't say it's my favorite. Maybe we'll give it like we'll do a 1 out of 10 for all of these. So I think for this one I'm gonna go with I'll go with a 7. I was gonna say 6, but I think 7 for the cookies and cream. All right. Up next, chocolate mint. Let's see what this one is like. They still kind of all have that ice milky taste, but this one is pretty good. It kind of reminds me of the Girl Scout cookies, but not the Girl Scout cookies. Keebler used to make these cookies called grasshoppers, and I loved them. And I don't think they make them anymore, but this kind of reminds me of those. I have 4 bites. There is a little bit of a chalkiness though with this one that I'm getting as like an aftertaste. So that chalkiness really threw me off. So let's go with like I think I'll give the cookies and cream like maybe a 6 because the chalkiness was really disappointing. The flavor was really good though. Right, this is the chocolate fudge swirl. I have high hopes for this one. And it does have some swirls in there, so that's kind of cool. All right. Okay. That one's good. It's good. The swirls in it are nice. There's like fudge swirls. It kind of reminds me of like Magic Shell on the inside. I think I can be down with this one. Yeah, this one's really good. Get it off the lid here. I would say that this one is probably I would say that one's probably a 9. That was good. That was really good. All right. Orange Sherbet is next. Let's see about this one. Artificial color. But again, it's a buck. Color's good. Color is really good. That's good. It is good. It reminds me of those push-up pops, you know, that you might have had as a kid. I'm not a big fan of sherbet or sorbets, but this is good. It totally reminds me of those push-up pops. As a kid, you'd get those, they were like in a tube, and you would, you know, push the plastic tube up. And then I always wanted to make something with the little plastic like wheel thing. Maybe that's when the crafty DIY guy started. I don't know. I'll give that one a 9. I'll give that one a 9. Because again, really tasty. Actually, I might even get a 9.5. Honestly, because I really do like the flavor of that. It almost reminds me a little bit of like Tang also. And I love Tang. All right, this is the butter pecan. Let's see what this one is like. I have no business having all this ice cream in my house. Got a little pecan bit right there from the beginning. It's good. It's good. It's not quite as like mapley as I would think, you know. Butter pecan kind of has that like, I don't know, there's like a mapley kind of a thing to it. This one's kind of it's kind of bland, honestly. It's real. It says it's real ice cream again. I wouldn't even waste my money on that one, honestly. To me, that's just, I'm putting that one in the sink. It's going down the disposal. It was okay. I would maybe give it like a 4. All right, so the top 2 winners, chocolate swirl, and then this is the orange sorbet. So now I'm going to do a side-by-side, and we'll see which is the real winner. So now, get it off the lid here. I don't want to waste it. Now we got orange sorbet. Did you just hear that? Like, this is like, which one will I take to the couch after I'm done filming, right? You can't take them all. I'll give Otis one too. Otis one, get one. That was a joke. Okay. This is really good. I would probably take the orange sorbet to the couch, only because it's hot out right now, and this is very refreshing to me. This is good, the chocolate one, but it's a little heavier. It just feels a little heavier. It feels a little heavier in my mouth. I think the chocolate swirls in there. So anyway, I'm going to the couch with my orange sherbet. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Take care. Bye. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm going to be enjoying this orange sherbet. If you have already tried some of these Dollar Tree flavors, let me know in the comments below which ones are your favorite, or let me know which ones you think you want to try based on today's taste test. And, you know, of course, follow me on all the social medias, the TikToks, the Pinterest, the Facebooks, YouTube, Instagram, all that jazz. All right, guys, take care. Going to the couch.